Hello viewers, welcome to Math Tech. I am Amit Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve questions from 7 to 12 of Chapter 4 from the book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Gallian. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 7. Find an example of non-cyclic group, all of whose proper subgroups are cyclic. The following results are very useful to learn in order to solve the question. Result number 1. Let H be a subgroup of a group G and H is not equal to G, then H is called proper subgroup of a group G. Result number 2. If G is a finite cyclic group or an abelian group and D divides order of G, then G has a subgroup of order D. Result number 3. A group G has element of order D if and only if G has a cyclic subgroup of order D. Result number 4. The number of cyclic subgroup of order D is number of element of order D in a group G divided by phi of D, where phi is known as Euler phi function. Let us take G is equal to K4. This is known as Klein 4 group, which is non-cyclic group. Since K4 is an abelian group and order of K4 is 4, this implies the order of subgroup are 1, 2 and 4. These are the divisor of 4. Now, the number of subgroup of order 1, which is cyclic, this is equal to number of element of order 1 divided by phi of 1, which is equal to 1. And the subgroup is H1 containing the element identity. This is known as trivial subgroup. The number of subgroup of order 2, which is cyclic, is equal to number of element of order 2 divided by phi of 2, which is equal to 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. And the subgroups are H2 containing the element E and A, H3 containing the element E and B, H4 containing the element E and AB. These are known as proper subgroup. The number of subgroup of order 4, which is abelian, is 1 and the subgroup is H5, which is equal to K4. This is known as improper subgroup. Therefore, K4 has 3 proper cyclic subgroup of order 2. Hence, all the proper subgroup of non-cyclic group K4 are cyclic. Question number 8. Let A be an element of a group and let order of A is 15. Compute the order of the following elements of G. Part A, A cube, A6, A9, A12. Part B, A5, A10. Part C, A square, A4, A8, A to the power 14. Let G be a group and A belongs to G such that order of A is 15. Part A, the order of A cube is equal to order of A to the power 12. Why it is so? Because both are inverse of each other, which is equal to order of A divided by GCD of order of A, 3, which is equal to 15 divided by GCD of 15, 3. Why it is so? Because order of A is 15, which is further written as 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. This implies order of A cube and order of A12 is 5. Again, order of A6 is equal to order of A9 because both are inverse of each other, which is equal to order of A divided by GCD of order of A, 6, which is further written as 15 divided by GCD of 15, 6, which is further written as 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. This implies order of A6 and order of A9 is 5. Part B, the order of A5 is equal to order of A10 because both are inverse of each other, which is equal to order of A divided by GCD of order of A, 5, which is equal to 15 divided by GCD of 15, 5, which is equal to 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. This implies order of A5 and order of A10 is 3. Part C, since GCD of 2, 15 and GCD of 4, 15, GCD of 8, 15 and GCD of 14, 15 is 1. This implies order of A square, order of A to the power 4, order of A to the power 8, order of A to the power 14 is equal to 15, which is order of A. Question number 9. How many subgroup does Z20 have? List a generator for each of these subgroup. Suppose that G is equal to group generated by A and order of A is 20. How many subgroup does G have? List a generator for each of these subgroups. The following result is very useful to learn in order to solve the question. Result. The number of subgroup of Zn is tau of n, where tau is positive divisor of n. The number of subgroup of Z20 is tau of 20, which is further written as tau of 2 square 5, which is equal to 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 6. This implies the number of subgroup of Z20 is 6. These subgroups are generated by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the divisor of 20. And the subgroups are subgroup generated by 1, subgroup generated by 2, subgroup generated by 4, subgroup generated by 5, subgroup generated by 10 and subgroup generated by 20. Also given that G is equal to group generated by A and order of A is 20. This implies G is a cyclic group of order 20. This further implies G is isomorphic to Z20. Therefore, the number of subgroup of G which is generated by A are 6, and these subgroup are generated by A to the power K, where K is a divisor of 20, and the subgroups are subgroup generated by A, subgroup generated by A square, subgroup generated by A to the power 4, subgroup generated by A to the power 5, subgroup generated by A to the power 10, and subgroup generated by A to the power 20. Question number 10. In Z24, list all the generator for the subgroup of order 8. Let G is equal to a group generated by A and let order of A is 24. List all the generator of a subgroup of order 8. The following results are very useful to learn in order to solve the question. Result number 1. For each positive divisor K of n, the set generated by n by K is a unique subgroup of Zn of order K. Moreover, these are the only subgroup of Zn. Result number 2. Let order of A is n and the group generated by A is equal to group generated by A to the power j if and only if GCD of n comma j is 1, and the order of A is equal to order of group generated by A to the power j if and only if GCD of n comma j is 1. Given group is Z24. The subgroup of order 8 in Z24 is generated by 24 by 8, which is equal to generated by 3, and 3 is the generator. Since GCD of 1, 8 and GCD of 3, 8, GCD of 5, 8 and GCD of 7, 8 is 1. Therefore, other subgroup of order 8 in Z24 are subgroup generated by 3 into 1, that is 3, subgroup generated by 3 into 3, that is 9, subgroup generated by 3 into 5, that is 15, and subgroup generated by 3 into 7 is 21. These are the generator of the subgroup. Also given G is equal to group generated by A and order of A is 24. The subgroup of order of 8 are subgroup generated by A cube to the power 1, subgroup generated by A cube to the power cube, subgroup generated by A cube to the power 5, and subgroup generated by A cube to the power 7. Question number 11. Let G be a group and let A belongs to G. Prove that a group generated by A inverse is equal to group generated by A. Given G be a group and A belongs to G, we have to show that a group generated by A inverse is equal to group generated by A. Since A inverse is contained in a group generated by A inverse, now a group generated by A containing the element of the type A to the power n where n belongs to Z. This implies A inverse belongs to a group generated by A. Why it is so? By taking n equal to -1. This implies the group generated by A inverse is contained in group generated by A. Again, A is contained in group generated by A. Now, the group generated by A inverse containing the element of the type A inverse to the power n where n belongs to Z. This implies A belongs to group generated by A inverse. Why it is so? By taking n equal to -1. This implies the group generated by A is contained in group generated by A inverse. Since the group generated by A inverse is contained in group generated by A, and the group generated by A is contained in group generated by A inverse, this implies the group generated by A inverse is equal to group generated by A. Hence, if A belongs to G, then group generated by A inverse is equal to group generated by A. Question number 12. In Z, find all the generator of subgroup generated by 3. If A has infinite order, find all the generator of a subgroup generated by A cube. It is essential to learn the following results in order to solve the question. Result number 1. If G be an infinite cyclic group, then it has only 2 generators. Result number 2. If A belongs to G is a generator of cyclic group G, then A inverse is also the generator of the cyclic group G. Now, given group is Z, which is a cyclic group. Now, the subgroup generated by 3 containing the element 3m where m belongs to Z. Since 3 is the generator of this group, this implies -3 is also the generator of this subgroup. Since the subgroup generated by 3 is an infinite cyclic group, This implies it has only two generators, 3 and -3. Also, it is given that A is of infinite order. Now, the subgroup generated by A cube containing the element of the type A cube to the power m, where m belongs to Z. Since A cube is the generator of this subgroup, this implies A to the power -3 is also the generator of this subgroup. Since the subgroup generated by A cube is an infinite cyclic group, this implies it has only two generators, A cube and A to the power -3. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.